Hello friends, welcome to my channel Vidisha's Creations. This is our design and today we will make all the jewelry part. Okay, so first we have to mark as I see. Wait, this is my design. Okay, and all the jewelry parts I have done the marking like this. I have done here, here. Where are the jewelries, just you have to mark, then it will be easy to color on the canvas. Okay, so before starting the color I have marked here all the jewelry parts, like this one the jewelry part, this one the jewelry part, everywhere. Okay, after marking we can start with the canvas. Okay, so for the jewelry we need yellow ochre and gamboge hue in equal proportion. Okay, I'm taking, see, and now we have to mix it. For the mixing we need brush and water. Just I am putting 3 to 4 drops of water and mix it properly. It should be little watery, it should be little you will get flow if it is watery. You have to mix it well. Now we have this shade. Okay, now I can add little more water, 1 drop. Okay, this much. Now we have got the shade. Now we will start the jewelry part. Okay, first I will take my canvas. This is the canvas and we need this tracing also. According to this tracing we will decide where we have to do the jewelry color and where we don't have to do the color. Okay, so first this is all the jewelry part, so we'll start with the crown portion. Okay, so we need round long hair 2 number brush. Okay, I'm using this brush. I'm taking the color. Okay, first I'm doing here all the jewelry parts to you have to do. Okay, like this, and then okay, like this. First I am doing this crown portion. I'm taking color like this. Okay, I'm sending all the video without editing, then you can understand what is the process and what is the mistake which I have done, and you can learn with the mistakes also. That's why I am sending all the video without editing. Okay, it will help you. Now I will take Scarlet Lake. It is wet, so first we will complete full yellow portion on the jewelries. Okay, then we will apply red color and start shading. First we have to do full yellow jewelry portion, then we will start shading as I wanted to show at the time, but it is not working. So first we will apply this yellow gold color on the jewelries, then we will start doing shading. Okay, you have to complete full jewelry part like this. Okay, you need to take Gombe hue, both the shades of yellow, but both the shades are different from each other. So yellow ochre, and as I told you, Kerala Mirror is all about the mixing color. Generally you cannot use solo colors, but it happens, but this is the rule. Okay, yeah. Now okay, I am doing the yellow portion first. Just move forward step by step. I'm completing the crown portion first. With this method you need to complete full jewelry part. I will send the picture when it's completed. Okay, I'll show every step. Okay, when I will complete the crown, when I will do the bangle portion, everything it will take time, but I'll show everything, so don't worry. You can just watch at your convenience. But if I'll start with you, then I'll complete each and every portion with you only, then you can understand the full process to complete Kerala mirror painting. I took this picture because there are so many variations, like jewelry part is there, feathers are there, background are there, flute, pattern, everything is there. Everything is there. That's why I took this picture. Then you can learn everything because you have done so many things before, like drawing, how to draw, how to mixing the color, how to make background. Now this is the final picture. I have chosen this because of it has lots of content. All the jewelry will go with this shade only. I have mixed yellow ochre and gombage hue. That is, both the colors are yellow but in a different shade. As you can see, even in earlier video I have told you about those individual colors and mixing the color. Then I told you when I will use the yellow ochre alone, that shade is there also. When I use gombage hue alone, that shade is there. And when I'll mix both the color together, that shade is the different. And generally the jewelry part, we will do all the jewelry part with this shade only. Okay, now the crown portion is over. Now we'll do, okay, this is the ear, so I have to mark ear with the red. This is the red portion, this is the ear portion, this is the face color. Okay, now I have to do this portion. This is the earring of Krishna ji. If it is little thick, then you can add some water. Like this. Just take step by step. Okay. This is the hair portion, so leave this portion because it should be black. This is the crown portion, so I am using yellow ochre color here. When you will start the coloring, just open this video and follow the steps only. Just like in the class, when we attend the direct class, physically class, this is the process only. That's why I am following same process. When you come here and learn, my online classes is like that only, just like in the class. Okay, now it's done. The ear portion I have left. Now I am doing the jewelry portion. First you need to mark on the tracing. Okay, mark, it will help you. Otherwise just follow the steps. When you will start doing the this picture, just open this video and follow the step. Whatever I am doing, just you need to do only. Okay. Okay, now just color this portion. This is also the earring part. Like this. First I thought I can learn shading at a time, but I think after drawing this portion I can start the shading. Okay, so first I'll do this portion complete. When it is getting dry or a little thick, then you can add some water. Like this. once portion will be completed, like jewelry part, when we'll complete the jewelry part, the clarity will come, and you can see the difference in the designs, because in the tracing everything is mess, because only red line is there, so you cannot understand where is the jewelry, where is the body, where is the other parts. Now once we will complete the portion step by step, again this is the body portion, this is the earring. Okay, so we'll color this portion. The main doubt is Kerala mural most people have is about the 5 basic colors. Got it? Okay, basically one book is there, like name is Namudile Samskarum Natri Voculum, like that only. I'm not pronouncing exactly because this is little difficult word. This is the book which is clearly specifies that the give 5 basic colors. Okay, 5 basic colors of Kerala are yellow, green, red, yellow, green, red, white and black. There is no blue color. There is no blue color, and this is called Panchavarlangal. Kerala mural painting basically has been greatly influenced by color used in Kalamapattu and its various images. So there is no blue color. Basically 5 colors are red, yellow, green, white and black color. So blue color never be influenced as one of the 5 basic color. The same also has been mentioned by K.S. Warrior sir in his book. Blue was never used in its direct form anywhere in of the old paintings, and wherever it was used in small amounts, it has darkness and got destroyed. So this is the main reason why artists in olden times have used a mix of blue and green color instead of blue color directly. And nowadays people are using blue color more often, but it was very less in olden times. So this is the knowledge which I need to share with you all. I have collected so many knowledge about the art when I start any folk arts. So this is very good when you aware about the folk art which you are doing. Okay, this is also the jewelry part, so I'll use okay, this is the neck portion. Okay, this is the neck portion here. Okay, till here I need to do blue because this is the neck portion, means body portion. Okay, now this is also jewelry part, so I'll color here also. You should feel you are in the class. That's why I'm doing every single step in front of you. Okay, now the crown portion has completed and the earring portion has completed with the yellow shade. It's not completed, the first coat has done. Now I think this is the jewelry portion, this and this is the hair portion. So I need to complete this and this also. Okay, this is the peacock feather, so we cannot color it. This is the hair portion. Hair portion is like this is the portion, this is the bun, this is the bun, and this is its hair portion. This is okay, this is okay. Wait, let me check, because this is the feather, this is all I have done. This is the hair portion here, and oh, this is the hair portion. I will apply the hair black color here. This is the crown portion. Okay, so here and here I have to do yellow. Okay, I'll apply black color here because this is the hair portion. You can apply dark shade on the light shade, but you cannot apply light shade on the dark shade. So we can apply black color over here because this is the hair portion. I have done yellow because I didn't see. Okay, so this is the hair and this is the hair. Okay, rest is the okay. This is the feather, this is the whole crown portion, and this is the earring portion. Now we'll move forward for the this bangle portion. Okay, I'm doing the bangle. So let's check. This is the body, this is the body, and this is the body. So we need to do here okay, this is the hand portion and this is the hand. So we'll have to color now this, because this is the big bangle of the Krishna ji. The bangle portion is going to be completed. Okay, so this bangle portion is completed now. Now we will do this bangle. Okay, so here this is the hand, this is the hand, the bangle portion has started. Okay, this is the hand. I have to do here and here. Okay, so first I will do the bangle portion like this is the bangle, and this is going like here. Okay, it's not traced, like this. See, this hair is also here, so it is good. You will learn the garland portion also. So many content is there in this picture. First I've thought ki, yeah, I will teach you step by step, like first I will color the body part, then I will color the ornament, then this and that. But after that I thought ki no, I can do it like that only. Then you can make one picture, one big picture. Okay, now we have to color this because it's a ring, finger ring of Krishna ji. Okay, and this is also the ring, like this, and this is also the ring. You need to be careful because all the colors are wet. Okay, now the jewelry portions are, where is the other jewelry portion? Okay, now we have to move our camera here. Okay, and now we will do this jewelry. Okay, so this is the jewelry part. First I need to color here. This is the jewelry part. Okay, I think you can see. Yes, now I'm holding the camera with my hand, so okay, I'm taking color from there, and just you need to complete. I need to finish this session because I have to face so many problems to upload very big videos. So I'm trying to make the video at least 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I need to finish this episode here only. In the next video we will complete this portion. Okay, so till then, bye, take care.